Okay, everybody, we are back, and you're calling us at 1-800-405-4222. Ralph Saltzman here, Steve Solomon there. We're law partners, and we're partners on
Partners in Crime.
Partners in Crime, Legal Help Live. Call us with any kind of legal question, and we'll see if we can give you a legal answer. Don't stop now. That's great. Great background.
Is that Dragnet?
Yeah, it is. What's the badge number? Quick. Anybody? Call in if you know the badge number. We'll give you a dinner.
Dinner for two?
For dinner.
Dinner for
Absolutely. But you got to give me
And
the
what
badge
car
number.
was
And
it?
Brett's telling me, and I know it already. Yeah, Dwayne knows it also. That's pretty cool. We've got guys.
Okay.
We've got guys downstairs who are not eligible to enter this contest, telling us.
Yeah,
what
but
the badge number
they're
is.
hungry.
Okay, call us and we'll do that.
I got to thank Greg for bringing me the Snickers bar to start.
That's what's Joe Friday's badge number? Actually, it's not even his badge number. What's the badge number on the beginning of the show of Dragnet?
You know, the history behind that show is that was the PR program.
You bet.
That Bill Parker, the then chief of police,
Yeah.
who was really tough, and in the Hoover style of law enforcement. He thought Dragnet would be a good PR for the police department, gave him access, and it turned out to be the best thing that probably ever happened to the police
I agree with you.
image
It was
ever.
Absolutely huge. Okay,
So,
somebody wants to talk to us off the air, Steve. How do they do that? There's got to be.
Well, the number's on the screen. That's on or
Same
off
number?
the air. Yeah.
Even like 3 o'clock in the morning
Well, you call that number at 3 o'clock in the morning.
after you call the bail bondsman.
You will get a recording, but during and we try and return those calls the next morning. But
Yep.
if you got a call that it's too sexy to talk about on the air, or you want to talk to us off the air, okay. Yeah. Sure.
Yeah, we got it. We got Mark calling. We got Mark calling with a badge number. Mark, come on in.
Hi there.
Okay.
Thank you for the program.
Well, thank you for calling.
The badge number 714.
714. That's it.
Okay, 2 tickets to Barney's Beanery and they have locations all over Southern California, Santa Monica.
Well, I'm going to go to the one where I met my wife
You're
on Santa Monica
kidding.
Boulevard.
You're kidding.
No, I kid you not. There was no place to sit. It was the only non-gay bar in the area, and I sat down next to her, and we were both having stuffed potatoes, and the rest is history.
Well, that's
2
fantastic.
kids later.
Well, congratulations on the marriage. Congratulations on knowing it's badge 714. What was the name of the?
No more questions.
No more questions.
Dinner for
Darn.
2. Call the 800.
Yeah, you got to call after 5 o'clock. Leave your name and contact information
Tell
so
me
we can
when-
get it to you.
May I venture with a question, sir?
Sure.
Sure.
I basically are looking at a class action suit that I haven't been able to get into, even though my case is much better than others. It's relative to a class action suit by disabled veterans who were denied entry into the post office workforce by collusion and guile and stealth. They were able to eliminate some of the older, especially veterans, because they wanted 20-year-olds with technical disabilities, but not real disabilities. You know what I mean?
Yes.
They didn't want to meet the goals and timetables, as it were, for a earned distinction, unlike a benign distinction of race or gender or whatever. I was given a notice that there was a class action suit, but the firm did not accept or return any phone calls, I guess, from me. So.
Well, if there's a class action pending, and you're in that class, if they have your name some way, they will be required to send out notice with your name on it and asked whether you accept the settlement or be bound by the case, or you want to opt out of it. So what I would do is email the law firm that you were part of this thing and want to get any notice on it. The other thing you can do is you can find out exactly where it's filed. You can contact the clerk of the court where it's filed and ask to be put on the notice list so you can find out what's going on.
Yeah, and then when you do get a notice, make sure you read the notice, because there are some class actions where you will automatically opt out unless you submit something in writing, and there are some class actions where the opposite is true. So make sure you read the notice when you get the notice.
And we've been involved in a number of class actions, and it's really important to read to see what you get in the settlement. It may well be that the lawyers get $1 zillion, and you get a $25 coupon usable at the post office. That's in jest, but you need to read that. But
No, I understand. And I actually, when I went through a divorce a while ago,
wait,
I'm sorry?
a divorce?
Yeah.
Wait, now this
Wait.
This has nothing to do with Barney's, right?
No.
Wait, I mean, you're not suing Barney's over the divorce now because she didn't like the mashed potatoes or whatever it was.
Alienation
No,
of
we
affections.
need a respite in that area, trust me. But
Okay.
the thing is, I had to fire 3 sets of lawyers and then learn everything I needed to know about family law. And I want to tell people out there that if you have a legal problem and you think you can do it yourself, pro per sometimes is the best route. I won everything.
Oh, good. That could be very unusual. So congratulations
In fact,
on that.
According to some people in the court, I'm the only Euro-American male who's ever gotten temporary spousal support from a African-American female. So,
Well,
Interesting.
let's not be sexist or racist, but what you should do is if you think you're really good, you should now go to law school, and then you can charge other people for this service.
Right.
no, but the thing of it is, it was such an anomaly, and I had done such a good job that actually I was rather encouraged, and others who were in the court were encouraged, other people in my plight as well.
Well, that's good. Good luck.
Yeah, and enjoy the dinner.
Call in for the dinner. Do we send one to you and one to your ex-wife, or do you want them both? Okay.
I suspect Mark is remarried, and that's what we're talking about.
Oh, I'm not sure about
I'm not
that.
sure either. I don't know. Yeah, just making an assumption.
1-800-405-4222.
Want to talk to Jose?
Sure.
Okay, Jose, come on in and talk to us.
Hello.
How are you?
Hi.
Where are you
How
calling
you doing,
from?
Parker?
Where are you calling from?
Yeah, I'm calling from Los Angeles,
What area? It's a big city.
from East Los Angeles.
Okay, wonderful.
The best burrito I ever had,
Al and B's.
Alan B's in East Los Angeles. So,
There you go.
not a sponsor
On
of the
First
show.
Street.
Have you been there?
Yeah.
Have you been there?
Been in the-
Absolutely, yeah. That's the best burritos in East LA.
Yeah, that's been in the family for like a gazillion years.
60
and
years.
We met the original guy, Al.
And his first customer.
And that's right, and his first customer's there too.
All right, I'm sorry. I'm a little hungry today, so I just sort of fixated on food. I'm sorry.
Okay, Jose, you probably didn't call to find out where the best burritos are in Los Angeles.